This is my third credit card. So, open na natin siya. Sakto pa, kasi 11 yung pasok ko. And it's already 10:39. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Okay, guys. This is my name, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so very excited. Oh my god. We'll open na. Kagigising ko lang, guys. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Hawak ka na, guys. Pwede na rin, guys. Malaki yung credit limit niya. Hindi ko sasabihin. Activate na natin ito, girl. Ayan siya, guys. Actually, dapat mas maaga siya na-deliver. Ang kaso, hindi nag-valid yung address na nilagay. So, nag-email ulit ako sa kanila and ayun, na-deliver after 2 days, 2 banking days. Tagal ko hintay, guys. Late na ako. Oh my gosh. Meron ulit akong credit card. So, activate lang natin siya, guys. Using this scanner. So, happy lang talaga, guys. So, yun lang. Activate ko na lang muna for better. Bye, guys. Share na lang.